Hi, I'm Lauren. I'm studying agricultural engineering at Texas A&M University, but I'm here in Lyon for the summer as part of the summer school.
I'm Sam. I go to the U of M in Winnipeg, Manitoba, Canada.
My name's Pat. I'm a student from the University of Manitoba in Manitoba, Canada.
I've loved the summer school so far. It's really interesting because we have half in-class lectures, but then we also do a ton of field trips to different farms all over France. And so it's really cool to get to see the things that we learned about in class actually applied in real life. And it's a lot easier to compare the agricultural practices that I've seen back home to the agricultural practices here, just because I am seeing them so hands-on and I'm talking directly to the farmers.
I've learned some stuff that I would like to take home and either teach others or maybe one day help other farmers implement these on their farms.
Lyon was great, yeah. I really like the culture and the history.
It's the smaller, big city aspect I kind of like, and it's obviously gorgeous.
I love Lyon. I've never lived in a big city before, and so it's really nice to have all the amenities so close to where I'm living, but then it's also so easy to get out into the countryside.
It's hands-on, and yeah, immersive is a good word, and very interesting.
Super interactive, like just being able to go out there in the fields and see everything firsthand.
Very hands-on, lots of new friends, and so many cool experiences.